Hi guys, this is Stefan Zamit from neuronfx.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at how we can customize this color intro for After Effects. So to customize it, it is very simple. We need to go to the gradient promo intro right over here, open that folder, and then you can go directly to edit color. So you can enter in here, open this file, intro color, and it will show up right over here. Then we can click on this layer, named color, go to effect controls, and from here you can tweak all the different colors. I suggest to start from the background color, so we can give that any color as you can see, just like that. And we can of course make it even brighter if we want, and so on. So I'm tweaking the colors in here, perfect. And let's do another color in here. And I'm going to leave the other one to black. Then we can go right over here to color 1, and we can go over all the different colors and scrub through the timeline when we have finished the colors for that specific scene. So let's see the first one in here. We have 4 different colors in this case that we can customize. So this is the first color. We can give that any color as you can see. Perfect. Color 2, we can give that any color. Color 3, I like this kind of yellow color in this case. And color 4, we can leave it this blue maybe, or maybe make it a little bit brighter. Perfect. So that's how you would customize the color. And if you want, you can move a little bit forward in here, see how all of that looks. And now if we go through the next scene, which is this one, we can customize the colors of here as well. So continue from color 5, and let's say we want to make these like green in here. So we can make that first one green, the second one green as well. We can give it maybe a more yellowish hue like that, and let's make that green, and this one yellow. And like that we have customized the colors of this scene. The background colors remain the same, but if you want, you can also keyframe these right over here. So then you can customize all the different colors just the same way in here. Just continue going over all of these colors in here, and once you are ready, you can start customizing the text. So to customize the text, it is super simple. Let's start from the first text in here. Go to project window, go to edit text, and from here you can go to text 1, double click, and scrub right over here. And we can double click on this text layer, and we can type in our text here. Now, an option that you have is actually to select the special word in here and its colors. So go to pick special word, go to effect controls, and from here you can select its number. So we can make it number 2, for instance, and it will highlight that word. And then we can also modify the gradient colors. So let's go right over here, and if we want to make that blue, for instance, we can just select the colors like that, and we can make that yellow. And as you can see, we have customized the color of that as well. If you want to customize the color of the actual text, you can click on the text in here, go to the text right over here, and give that any color, just like that. Now you can also customize the font if you would like, and so on. Just choose any font from here. So that's basically it in terms of customization. You can go over text number 2 now and do the same things right over here. So, and once you are happy, you can go back to intro color right over here, and you can see your update right over here. Perfect. So we are done from all the customization. And now to render, you can go to render your project here, double click on that. You can import your music file, just drag and drop it right over here, and then go to composition and add to render queue. From here, we can select something like H.264. So select H.264 from here, go to format options. I like to select quite a high number here, something like a 30, for instance, and then press OK. And then finally go to audio output and set that to on if you are using a music file. Press OK. Then just click on here and give it your name and your rendering destination, and then finally just hit render. So that's basically it. I hope that you find this project very useful, and thank you for watching.